Hey guys, this is Michelle and welcome back to the Food Health Nutrition Wealth YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making a Mediterranean style frittata as like a meal prep for breakfast or lunches during the week. And these are the ingredients we're going to need. So it's pretty simple. I have half of a package of frozen spinach that I'm just draining out there. It's about 150 grams. I do have a jar of artichoke hearts in brine, some goat cheese, nutritional yeast, some cream, and of course the eggs. So let me show you how I'm going to make it. Alright guys, to the bottom of this 9x13 casserole dish, I'm going to add the drained and chopped artichoke hearts. Now I did give them a bit of a squeeze to get any excess liquid out of them as well, because we don't want it to make it too watery. So that's going to be the first layer. Next I'm going to add the chopped spinach. Now I drained these really well and squeezed them out because they hold quite a bit of water when you're using the frozen chopped spinach. And I did run a knife through them just to make it a little finer. And I'll just evenly space that out here. And finally, I'm just going to add in the goat cheese. I've broken it apart into chunks, and this is one of my favorite parts of this kind of casserole, goat cheese. Another substitute would be to use feta. That would taste really nice, especially going with the Mediterranean theme. And really, these kind of casseroles, I rarely make them the same way twice. I always have different ingredients on hand or kind of switch it up a little bit because they're so versatile and easy to customize to the type of ingredients you like. This type of ingredient profile would work really well if you wanted to add some diced chicken, add a bit more protein. But again, yeah, I rarely make them the same way twice, but each time they turn out great. So that looks pretty good. All right, so the last thing we're going to do is just to pour gently over the egg mixture. Try not to disrupt the layers here too much. There we go. So I decided that I wanted to sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese over top. I think this will just brown up nicely in the oven and just create a nice layer on top. I also often, if I have a tomato on hand, I'll slice up a tomato and put it on the top, and it bakes up really well and looks really nice in the finished casserole. So you guys can see this just came out of the oven. It's a bit browned on top and it's still sizzling. Looks great. It took about 20 to 25 minutes in 350-degree oven. And now I can just let it cool a little bit, then I will cut it into portions and put it in the fridge to have during the week. So you guys can see all of the ingredients listed here that were used in the recipe. But if you want to see full recipe details, you can go into the description box below where I have it laid out step by step how to make the recipe. And here's the nutrition information, and this is based on the ingredients that I used and the amounts that I used them. If you're going to be making this recipe, it may vary depending on the brands or the ingredients that you use for your recipe. So thanks for watching my latest recipe video, guys. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel. We'd love to have you join us. We do make recipe videos every week on Saturday, and we do have weekly menu planning grocery haul videos as well. And until next time, bye-bye.